Oh yeah, is that good? What's up, guys? Today we are out and about looking for some trails in Grand Traverse County. I think we got an idea where to find some, but it's still kind of up in the air. We're just kind of winging it. Nick's fueling up the rigs. Focus. 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 What the hell, camera? The camera's broken, dude. Oh, there it goes.
Hey.
There you are. Hey. So hopefully we have some luck at finding some decent trails.
Yep.
We've been looking online, but it's kind of hard to tell whether or not we're gonna fit. It's so vague.
Yeah. Only hoping for the best.
Mm-hmm. Hopefully you see us at the trailhead next. Bada bing, bada boom. Snacks.
Bunch of snacks.
So we found the trailhead where we are going to start our ride.
Yep. Pretty excited. We haven't been out here
Ever.
So, and then on the way out here, we've seen some of the trails off on the side of the road. Looks like
a lot of sand,
Yeah.
maybe some straightaways, but it does look like some power line trails. So.
Yeah. Open these babies up.
Mm-hmm. And we got something special for you guys today.
Yeah. We're really excited to use. So.
Something new. So
yeah.
Stay tuned.
You'll be seeing it.
Yep.
All right, man.
But what is the name of this trailhead? It's Supply Road? Is that what
We're on Supply Road, but this is the Traverse City ORV trailhead.
I thought it said Supply Road or something.
Supply Road Trailhead.
Supply Road Trailhead. So if you guys are, if you like what you see here, that's how to get here.
Exactly. So,
That is where we are.
yep, just right outside Traverse City. So yeah, check these trails out. See what we can do.
Hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Give us a like if you enjoy.
Yes.
Leave some comments. Let us know what you think.
100%. So, all right, man.
Time to rip. Oh, I almost did.
And yes, ladies and gentlemen, we got a new drone. The Mavic Air 2.
You guys probably just saw some footage of us ripping around this lake here, pond, whatever the hell it is. We're gonna still ride around and try to find a better spot we can get some actual riding footage, but new addition. The Karma quit working quite a while ago and they quit making them, so we upgraded. This thing is way better in my opinion. I don't know what's beeping right now. Oh, it's a GoPro.
It's a GoPro.
I left it on. We've been ripping around for a little while. From Twisted Trails, I got a bunch of mud caked up in my radiator, so I've been having overheating issues since Silver Lake. God damn it.
We got alarms going off. We got GoPros going dead.
Almost falling on the
About
drone.
to take out the drone.
Easy. But anyways, we're been ripping around here. It's the trails are really smooth. I like that part. But there's a lot of crossing, so you got to be super careful.
Yeah, there are a lot of crossings.
People out here bicycling and stuff, headphones in.
Yeah.
Go to jail.
Yeah, it can be chaotic. But overall, those sweet trails, though.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, I like them.
Nice out today.
And a lot of trails.
There's a lot. It's ridiculous. Yeah. I'm looking on the map, and there's so much. I'm like, there's no way we can drive down all these. But it's like, yeah, pretty much can drive down all of them. Hopefully, we can actually get some more ripping in here, and the Turbo S holds up until I get some cleaning it some more.
Yeah.
Any ideas on cleaning radiators? Comment below.
Yeah, exactly.
After finishing up with the drone, we're headed to Bunker Hill. I don't know if it's anything. It just looked like something on the map.
We gotta go check it out.
I feel like I've heard of something about it, but who knows? We'll find out.
Yeah, we will.
To Bunker Hill we go. That could be a song.
To Bunker Hill.
Going logs. What?
Going logs. Go logs.
That's our favorite football team.
Log runner.
Gonna go full 643K on these things, man.
Yeah, dude. John Deere. Nothing runs like a deer.
Nick said he's gonna go first over these logs. All right,
Got a little logs in order here.
Logs in order. I like how you should have saved it for the camera, dude. It wasn't as good.
Nope. Yeah, you gotta get that tire up. You keep dropping down in this little, in between the log piles. Yeah.
That's a slick tire.
That is. That's a slick pine, a saucy pine.
If I bump it, I'll get it?
Maybe. You might drop your back tire off. Your back right.
Nasty burn. Part of my belt.
Probably is. Oh yeah. Eek. Might also just be burning rubber on pine.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, you almost got to get that back tire bumped up. Oh yeah, no, you're just pushing. Ooh.
Sound like a broken axle?
Ooh, I don't know. It did not sound good. You're still spinning.
Does it win?
I don't know.
I think it wins. This is such a weird angle.
Yeah, and all these logs are super like slick. That might have. Ouch.
Made a mess with my log. Yeah, that wasn't that fun, actually.
Yeah.
That really wasn't worth it. I got beat twice now by the damn log.
Oh man, that did make a little bit of a gnarly noise here in the
A
front.
little bit? What
Yeah,
was
okay. I
that?
mean,
Ding!
huh? Well, she looks solid.
Seems fine. So let's work
Just
that.
been yelling at you. Logs 1.
Yeah.
Dun dun dun.
Next turn.
No, that's okay. I'm already gonna admit defeat. I'm not even in the bracket.
Come on, you go from the other side, man.
Not even
Make
cool.
the RS1 look. I bet you
I
could
got a
do
bent
it.
radius rod. Probably shouldn't do it.
No, that makes more sense.
Not really.
Slick.
Yeah, that's slick. You can moonwalk that thing.
I can slide.
Can we get in trouble?
All right.
Red wine. That's where wine comes from.
That's it. Just squeeze that tree real tight.
Wine trees.
Wine trees. Wine trees.
But that's what it made my belt do.
I'm pretty sure this was the truck that just like jumped. Looks like they're driving backwards for some reason.
Wow, man.
Yeah, look at that thing.
That is a suitable unit.
That is, dude. That is an off-road machine right there. Look at that thing.
That's the 2021 Polaris.
That's the direct drive, 2000 cc. It's what everybody's been asking for. Yeah, dude, get it. Yeah! Oh!
Oh my God, they're losing inches of height.
Whoa.
Wow, they were bombed.
I am pretty sure the guy in the back seat's neck is broken.
Guys, I just kind of want to take a nap now.
Yeah. John just passed out. Yeah.
Well, we just tried out the new drone. I'm sure you just saw, got some footage. Great time. What you didn't get to see is Nick put it in the tree, and this thing saved itself. It's an amazing drone, Maverick Air 2.
Yes.
Definitely would recommend it. Badass drone.
Yep. It is a badass drone, man. And I did put it right into the trees.
Good little unit.
It is. I almost put it in the trees, and I almost put it right in the hill. So.
Trails out here are sweet, though. Overall, today was pretty awesome.
Yeah,
Had a
it
good
was.
time. Very dusty, though. I didn't like that.
Yep.
Hopefully we got some good shots here of with the drone. That whole thing is, I mean, gives you some of the best shots you could ever ask for. Just trying to get that Polaris commercial ad shot, you know what I'm saying?
100%, dude.
Well, that wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're new, subscribe, like, share, hit the bell so you always know when our videos are coming up.
Yep.
Thank you guys.
Right
Take her
on.
easy.
Laters.